Hi guys, welcome back. This is 2000 Game again, bring another Lost Sword content. Again, if you're enjoying the content in this channel, please consider subscribing. If you can hear me, I'm a bit, my energy is a bit low. I try my best to just make content for you guys. Know for a fact that I just got my tooth extracted last Monday. It's still swelling so much and it's pressing against my mask. It's so painful. But like, here we are. I just don't wanna, I I wanna post this one because this is so OP. Okay, so people who are like looking for a Morgana, adult Morgana, you'll be having her. And I'm currently getting ready for my sensor. See, this is my sensor sensor template here. I'm gonna censor quite a lot, and even in Discord, it's written there NSFW, not safe for work content. If you open this one up at work, then you're screwed. If you open it up inside the bathroom, then it's okay. Like, let's go ahead here. Hello, sword bringers. I cannot do my sword bringers kind of thing. We would like to inform you the sneak peek AGF. I think this is like a convention 2025 Colosseum rework update. We would like to give you an early overview of the new season beginning January. So we're gonna be having the new Colosseum. There have been several changes. So Coliseum currency overhaul is again the capacity from 20. Tickets will have a maximum capacity of 10. Will recharge automatically at the rate of 1 ticket every 4 hours. So from 20 to 10, along with the change, Coliseum point and symbol rewards will be increased and the point requirements for each will be adjusted. So in the new season, symbol of honor will be removed in place of symbol of glory. And then symbol of glory can be exchanged of a wider variety of rewards. Okay. Ooh! Pet costume tickets is acquirable. Okay, that's good. In the new Colosseum Exchange Shop, that's kind of good. Pet costume skin progress update. So, 2 new pet costumes will be added in the upcoming Colosseum season. Point loss on defense failure. Okay, so we're gonna be starting to put on the censorship meta here. So, Memorial Kiss video preview. So, this would be the Memorial Kiss preview. I'm gonna go up a little bit. I'm gonna make it bigger. Okay? I'm gonna make it bigger. So, new characters to be really revealed. This is kind of wild, okay? Okay. I'm not gonna censor this because I think this is like we're safe here. This is OP. This is Asteria, and she looks badass, man. She looks badass, bro. She looks badass. Asteria, she looks really badass, man. Like, this is what I want. Thick waifus. And then next would be, I think this is still okay. This is gonna be Morgana Le Fay. So this is the adult Morgana. She looks really badass, but I wish there's like, the silhouette here should have not been there. I'm not quite sure if it's still gonna be there. Maybe this is just like they can change it. Hopefully they remove that and put a little bit of a skin. But on the skin, I hope the skin is cheap, or if it's not cheap, people will still be buying it, okay? Because again after this, Morgana Le Fay's costume. Oh my god, oh, she's coming up there. You can see it there. I'm not quite sure where will I cover this. Oh my golly, she's coming up. She's coming up. Wait. She's coming up. Something's coming up. Oh, let's cover it up here. Here. Let's cover it up here. Let's cover it up a little bit here. The Morgana Le Fay free hugs is... Oh, it's coming! No! I didn't catch it. Okay. Oh my god, Morgana Morgana Le Fay free hugs is gonna be there. That's so OP, man. Like, if it's gonna be 2,400 gems, we'll see. But if it's 800, then people will be buying. I feel the best way that they can monetize this is to like win-win, is to show it like an 800 skin without animation, just like Lancelot, right? 800, that's like $8 without animation, and then $20 or $15 maybe. I wish it was $15 with animation. I think that's better. That's better for everybody. They'll get lots of money because lots of people like Morgana as an adult. Okay, I don't like Morgana as like a small small petite lolly, but like her character in Lost Sword as the lolly is kind of cute in a way because like she has banters with Ethan, which is really nice. So these are the animations, really nice looking animations here. Looks really badass. Look at Lancelot here. Oh my god, Can they make more animations instead of like the intro animations? So this concludes the developer's note. Our next update would introduce new characters. So Asteria is coming in. And Morgana Le Fay most likely will be coming in on the next banner. But the problem is, are they limited? Are they not? People are still speculating when would be the collaboration. If I feel if they're coming in as not a collaboration, I'll just get a copy because I do like my waifus there. I hate Palamedes because like she didn't even get me a glimpse of any sunlight because my rates are really bad. Hopefully, Asteria and Morgana will like me, and then I'll be able to pull for them. Okay, so we hope you stay warm and healthy, and we look forward to seeing your AGF. Thank you. So all of this, see these comments. Okay, this is what I like about the community. The free hug skin is wild. Okay, all of the comments here is really really good. They probably asked for 50. No, it's not 50. And she won't be available in the lobby. She won't be available in the lobby. Shoutouts. Man, I have my toothache here, but still, I'll still be playing there. See, Morgana costume is insane. Might be the most bought skin after the release if it's 800. See, this is what I'm saying. It's either 800 without the new animations or a different kind of animations at 2,400. We will see. I think they should do that. Okay, and then put her on the tavern. Okay. So the game just keeps getting better and better. Morgana, yo, like lots of things. Not peak update. Not even a bad word on it. So we really am excited for this. Comment down below, guys. What do you think about this? This is again 2000 gaming. My tooth is still painful. Oh my god. But like, anyways, I'm really happy with this update, up and coming update, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye bye. This would be on I think January. We'll see. Okay, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.